Building a personal brand is vital to the success of your business. Here are 4 simple and crucial tips to help you develop a strong brand. Tip 1. Get to know your clients or customers. It is critical to conduct market analysis on your customers or clients to market to your audience successfully. You must consider their mindset, preferences, lifestyle, and shopping patterns in order to be successful in the marketplace. For example, find out about their shopping choices, such as how much they buy. Do they buy a variety of products or services? Are they frequent shoppers, or do they just buy when something is on sale? This information will help you to know how to project your personal brand when establishing your goals. Tip 2. Analyze the competition. Setting yourself apart from your rivalry is key to developing a unique selling point. You must understand how winners set themselves apart from the competition, grasp what consumers think of your competitors, and seek out what benefits your competitors bring to the market and their shortcomings. When you garner this knowledge, you can learn from your competitors' mistakes and strategically develop your strategies to fulfill the needs of your audience, while also seeking ways to differentiate yourself from the rivalry. Tip 3. Identify your strengths and weaknesses. When you understand your competition's weaknesses, you can begin to focus on the strengths you bring to the marketplace. That is valuable to confirm whether your strengths are important to your target market. As soon as you realize the strengths that are important to your customers, please start thinking about how to include them in your brand strategy. That will help you to effectively appeal to your audience. Look for ways to improve or remove any shortcomings. Tip 4. Stay true to yourself and your audience. Incorporate your personality into your content to enable your audience to become acquainted with you. That will assist you in attracting your ideal clients or customers. And this is critical in developing a strong personal brand for your business. If you pretend to be someone else, you will lose your authenticity. Authenticity will assist you in capturing the appropriate audience at the appropriate time. If you're using social media to advertise, you can reach out to your ideal consumers by evoking who you are. Let's say you're trying to attract business professionals. Make sure your personality, content, and other elements you display reflect your target audience. Here are some final thoughts. In this digital era, maintaining your personality and identity while creating your personal branding can go a long way toward branding your business. So, to best represent your audience, focus on being a better version of yourself. When developing your personal brand, keep your audience in mind. It is all about your target market and what you bring to them. That will enable you to have a much better chance of succeeding, potentially.